So let's get straight to it. To do a Hello World program, the first thing you have to do is open Visual Studio Code, start a new file, save that file with the name of your program, in this case, hello world.java. You save it on the desktop. Now you define a class, hello world, because that is the name of your program. Then you will have the main method, public static void main string args brackets, and right inside here you're gonna type system dot out dot println, and this is where you type hello world. You save that, then you can open a terminal. In the terminal you can go to desktop. Now you can see your file over here, and you're gonna need to compile it. So you do javac hello world.java. Let's check. So it created a class file. Now you do java hello world, and you can see your output. It's that simple.